I'm Sammy, and I'm a designer, and today we're in Bethesda, Maryland, showcasing this beautiful kitchen right behind me. So this project is a full house renovation. The client has demolished the building to its foundation and have added new floors, a new garage, and many other new aspects of it. They bought this house in hopes of renovating it and updating it. So they were open to new ideas and new concepts. And when we first met, we provided some design services and recommendations on what the kitchen and the wet bar should look like. And we were honored to be a part of this project. So when we first started the design process, the client had the idea of having a modern home, which we've accomplished here. We definitely wanted slab doors, but we weren't quite sure about the exact color combinations. So we made multiple revisions onto the design and also compared different materials to how they contrast with each other. At the end, we decided on black slab cabinets and combine that with the synthetic walnut that you see here, which adds to the consistency of the house. Apart from this, the client also selected all their other materials to match this kitchen, and it turned out beautiful. As you'll see in the fireplace, we have darker surfaces. The furniture is also matching with the walnut, and there's other wood accents, along with some plants here and there to break up the color scheme. Since the client wanted a modern kitchen, we had a handful of cabinet lines to pick from. We were specifically looking for slab doors that offered paint and wood combinations. The countertops we use are Dekton countertops, and they are amazing when it comes to the functionality. So in the industry, most people know about granite and quartz. Granite is resistant to heat, quartz is resistant against stains. And Dekton combines these two attributes amazingly, which is why we have hues in this kitchen. One of the design aspects we did not want to sacrifice from was having full height backsplash. And for that, we just continued the countertop to go up behind the range. The client went with LG appliances because they offered what she was looking for specifically. So you'll see here, we have a double oven and a warming drawer combination. This combination is great because most people rarely use a double oven. You mostly use a single oven and a microwave. So what's better to combine these two into one and saving space? To complement the modern aspect of the kitchen, we used a panel-ready fridge. The brand is Monogram, and they're relatively more expensive, but in the long run, it is a win because of how beautiful it looks. To give you more detail on the wet bar area, we use the same type of cabinetry and the same type of countertops. But again, since we wanted to add some variety, instead of going with light countertops, we went with dark. The Dekton used in the wet bar is called Dekton Laurent, and it's one of my favorite pieces. Overall, we are very pleased of how this project turned out. The kitchen is beautifully integrated with the rest of the house and everything matches.